Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Master Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change Netflix billing date step by step. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open Netflix from your web browser, not from the application, from the web browser. Just open from netflix.com and then click on the three lines on the top left of the screen. And then after that, click on Account. After clicking on Account, you will see all your billing details. You need to scroll down until you find this option, Change Billing Day. Change Billing Day. Click on it. And as you can see here, it tells you choose a new billing day. Right now your membership is billed on the 30th of each month, but feel free to change it to a day that's more convenient for you, and you can choose any day that you want from the month as your billing date. And after that you just need to click on review and confirm, and that's it. Like this you will change your billing day on your Netflix account. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video, and see you in the next one.